Hey y'all, I'm Melissa, and today what we're going to do is play with a few things I got in BoxyCharm and a few things that I picked up myself. We got the Pure Festival palette that I got in BoxyCharm. I got a few Essence palettes, and just I threw in a few more things to make a full face. So if you're excited to see what I come up with, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses. And again, we're playing with the Pure Festival palette. That's what it looks like. And first I'm going to put on a little bit of the Milani eyeshadow primer. I'm going to start out with Photo Op right here, this brown shade. And I'm going to put that in my crease. I've never used Pure Shadows before, so I'm going to put a little bit of Onset, this chocolate brown, on the outside corner of my eye. Alright, and I'm taking Utopia right here and putting it on the other half of my eye. And I'm just taking my finger. I'm taking a cotton round and some micellar water, and I'm just going to clean up the fallout and my lines over here. Now I'm taking the Pretty Filter. Is that what that says? I'm taking the Touch in Sol Pretty Fitter Glassy Skin Balm, and I'm going to put that on my face. And that's what it looks like on the inside. It has a kind of fruity but perfume scent. Maybe a fruity perfume. And it feels real hydrating. Alright, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover with the Broad Spectrum SPF 50. And it's just a little squeezy tube. Taking a sponge and I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm taking the Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer by Milani. And I'm going to blend it out with a sponge as well. I'm liking this concealer. Here it goes again. Alright, I'm going to take the Revlon Color Stay powder and just put a little powder under my eyes. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just take it all over my face. Alright, I'm going to go into the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronze and Powder Palette. And I'm going to take the top two shades and just bronze up my face. I'm taking it under my chin. And down my neck. And I'm taking the Essence blush in Beloved, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. And I'm doing my nose so we can be sun-kissed and sunburnt. Alright, now we got the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter Palette. And that's what it looks like. And I think I'm going to take this one down at the bottom and I'm going to put that on the high points of my cheeks. Alright, I'm looking a little crazy right now. I'm going to go back into my powder brush and just blend everything out. Went a little ham on the bronzer, but that's super pigmented. It was really good bronzer. Alright, that's looking a lot better. I'm going to go back into the Festival palette and I'm just going to take that chocolate brown and I'm just going to take it up underneath my eye. Alright, I'm going to take Euphoric, this shade right here, and I'm going to put it on my inner corner. I'm going to pop off real quick and put my brows on. I'm using the CoverGirl eyebrow pencil. I'm going to put on the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Alright, so I'm going to go into the Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm by Nude Sticks. I got this at when Ulta had a little thing. I got it for free with my order. So I just want to try it on and see what it looks like. Now I'm taking the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist, and I'm going to spray my face. Oh, it smells so good. Now taking my fan, drying my face off. And I'm just going to pounce the sponge into my face just to meld everything together. Alright, well, this is the finished look. A couple of things I wanted to go over. The Pure Festival, I've never used Pure eyeshadows before, and they actually were really nice. I was surprised. I really like the mattes blended well, and the shimmers went on great. So I really enjoyed this palette. The Glassy Touch and Soul Primer, I think it worked well. With the foundation that I had, you kind of need a little bit of a hydrating because it can be a matte finish, at least I do. Because I have normal kind of leaning more towards dry skin. So I think this was a really great thing to put up underneath that foundation. But also it kind of had a little bit of a perfumey, flowery, fruity, flowery smell. So if you don't like smells, then you probably wouldn't like this. But this texture felt great. It felt great going on. The Essence Pure Nude and Matte Bronzing Powder Palettes, I really like the palettes. I think I like the regular Pure Nude highlighter, so I think I'm going to enjoy this palette very well. I look forward to using it more and playing with it more. The Bronzing palette, same thing. Probably need to go a little bit lighter on it, maybe just do this shade. I really enjoyed it too. They blended out really well. It only took like a couple of seconds just to blend it out, and it was done. I like the tones, so I'm really excited to play with these some more. And I think that was all that was new other than the lip product, and I think it was really pretty. I don't know if you're supposed to sharpen it or what, or if that's all that you get in the product. I don't know. If that's all you get, that's kind of a rip-off. But anyways, it looks pretty on the lips and feels good on the lips. So that's all the new products that I had that I was playing with and testing out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also, please subscribe. I'd love for you to become a part of our family. Also, ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. I upload at least twice a week. A lot of times it's more like 3 or 4 times a week. So I greatly appreciate you hanging out with me, and I guess I'll talk to you later. Bye, y'all.